Hello, Mr. Geislart here, and we're going to look at number 5 here on section 8. And I'm going to start off by going ahead and putting the limit as h approaches 0 and put h on bottom. And then again, I'm going to try and find my limit here. So I want to do the limit as h approaches 0 of x plus h cubed minus x cubed over h. So we have to expand that. So that's where I'm going to use this right here. So the limit as h approaches 0 of x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed all over h. Oh, minus x cubed. So now my x cubed and negative x cubed cancel out. So I'm left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed over h. Now, on top, you'll notice that there is an h in each term, so I can factor an h out. That gives me 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared, all of that over h. So I'm going to cancel out my h's and have the limit as h approaches 0 of 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared. So if I put a 0 in place of h, I'll have a 0 there, a 0 there, so my answer will just be 3x squared. So that will go here. So if I put in a negative 5 here, I'm going to have 3 times negative 5 squared, which is 75, and I happen to get the same number twice, so I don't have to do that again, but whatever number you would get there, you just put it in place of x.